So now what I have done is I have just connected two wires, the black one at ground which is at 0 volts and the yellow one which is at 5 volts to this power supply, and I make sure that these connections should be really tight, otherwise there would be electrical sparks, and with electrical sparks the instrument or the place can burn. Okay, there can be fire, so you have to make sure that your connections should be really tight and proper. Next, what we'll do is we will take these two wires, yellow and black one, and connect it to the breadboard, and we'll see how the voltages in these lines or these holes will vary. We will check, validate and verify जो हमने अपने दूसरे मॉड्यूल में सीखा about the breadboards, whether that was true or not. Okay, so what I'll do is I will just focus my camera only on the breadboard now. I hope this should be visible. I will shift myself to the side. Yeah. So what I'm doing is I have two wires, the black one and the red one. I will connect the black wire to one of the holes over here. And as I told you that on connecting the black wire over this point, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक जितने भी holes हैं till this point, they will have same voltage. So if I'm connecting it to 0, all these will have 0 volts. Remember, no connection and a connection at 0 volts are totally different. ऐसा नहीं है कि बाकी सब पर जो 0 है that is equal to the ground. No, we want to have a ground which is coming with this wire, the black wire. Otherwise, अगर ground same नहीं होंगे then there will be problems in your circuits, which usually do occur. ज़्यादातर लोगों के साथ ये problem होती ही है. Okay. So for contrast, let me just, if I can put this on this blue sheet, it would look good. Yeah. So as I told you that this one will have 0 volts at least till this point, and then if I connect the yellow one in this side, on the other hand it will have 5 volts till this point. Okay, so let me just color it. This red line will have 5 volts and this black line will have 0 volts. अब हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. We will have to take our multimeter. Let me just put it. Okay, we'll have to just take it. Let me just focus it on. How can I do that? Yeah, so only the readings are visible to you now. I have focused it on this. I have set my multimeter voltage maximum to 20. So the very first thing is I can connect few wires in it like this. See, जहां तक ये red line जाती है वहां तक I can connect any wire, and I will take another wire. I should be having wire of different colors, obviously. Let me check whether I have or not. The black one over here. And I have to check the voltage now across these two wires. कोई बता सकता है black को किस probe से connect करते हैं? Obviously to the common, like this. I have connected to the common probe, and yellow is to be connected to the 5 volts. And you see, I have taken the voltage from here, drop it to these 2 points, और यहाँ आप red में कहीं भी yellow वाला लगा लीजिए, इस जगह लगा लीजिए, then also you will get 5 volts with respect to ground. वहीं अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, इस येलो वायर की पोजीशन कहीं और लगा देता हूँ अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस रेड. मान लीजिए मैंने इस जगह लगा दी, एनीवेयर. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट इज द वोल्टेज. आई हैव कनेक्टेड इट. यू सी दैट दिस इज सम स्प्यूरियस वोल्टेज -0.06. इससे हमें कोई मतलब नहीं, ये फ्लोटिंग पोटेंशियल्स हैं. दीज आर बैड थिंग्स. फाइन, लेट मी जस्ट switch it over to some other point which is apart from this 5 volt line. Let me just do that. Then also I have a few -0.06, which is because of the stray capacitances or stray voltage in the line. But this is not 5 volts. मुझे 5 volts लाने के लिए यहाँ से कुछ भी रेड वाले पे ही कनेक्टेड करना होगा. You can see I have got now 5 volts. Fine. Similarly, Now what I'll do is I will fix my black probe, because I often don't need both probes, to the ground, because all the meetings or all the measurements are to be done with respect to ground. What I'll do is I will fix my black probe to the ground. So for that, I will just use a wire, wrap it around the probe like this, and will fix it over here. And now I just have to put one probe at a point where I want to check the voltage with respect to this ground. Okay. Next thing is, see, you can just put a wire in this blue one, and now you just have to check voltage with one probe. So let me just check it. You can see that it is now 5.10. Fine. Also, what you can do is, just for contrast, I'll be using red wires. You will take a red wire. This is called as a jumper wire. You will put it in one of the slots or one of the holes with red wire, and put it on, let's say, on these horizontal lines. So इस horizontal line पे मैंने ये red wire लगाया है. Fine. After putting this wire on this horizontal line, you would see that the voltage on these 5 horizontal points, like this, and this one, will be 5, and on rest other areas or rest other points it will be just 0. Let me just check it. You see, this is 5 volts. Now if I change the position of this to somewhere else, it will be some stray 0.00 volts. Okay, so ये वाली जो holes हैं, these are short like horizontally, और ये जो ये वाले holes हैं, these are short vertically, at least till 5 groups. Fine. Now what type of connections we often make is, जैसे मान लीजिए मुझे किसी एक लाइन में 5 वोल्ट चाहिए, so what I'll do is I will just take a wire, उसको रेड वाली से कनेक्ट करूंगा, यहाँ देखें like this, उसको मैंने रेड लाइन से कनेक्ट किया, एंड द प्लेस आई वांट टू हैव 5 वोल्ट्स. जैसे मान लीजिए मुझे इस होल पर 5 वोल्ट चाहिए, तो मैं इस रेड वायर से जो मैंने कनेक्ट किया है, लेट मी यूज द कॉन्ट्रास्ट वायर्स ओनली, इस रेड वायर को कनेक्ट किया, नॉट दिस वन, यहाँ now I will put what wherever I want. For example, I want it to be here. तो यहाँ ये इस वाले पॉइंट पर, इस वाले पॉइंट पर, इस वाले पॉइंट पर, the voltage will be same, 5 volts. Fine. So let us check that. I assume that the wire is quite loose. It should not be the case, but anyways, let us check whether we get 5 volts or not. So we get exactly 5.10 volts. Okay. So जब भी आपको 5 वोल्ट चाहिए होंगे तो आप इस लाइन से ले लेंगे, वहां से कोई भी वायर ड्रॉ करके, और जब आपको ग्राउंड या 0 वोल्ट चाहिए होगा तो आप इस लाइन से ले लेंगे. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉन्ट टू हैव ग्राउंड एट दिस पॉइंट. Okay, so I will just connect a point to here and then connect it to my all lines parallel. So this is like this point, and all these 5 sisters will be at 0 volt, and this point and all his 5 sisters will be at 5 volt. So that's how you can draw voltages from these continuous lines. Fine. I hope you understand something about breadboard, the wires, the sophisticated multimeter and power supply. In next class, what we'll do is we'll start with your experiment on verification of ICs for NOT gate, which is 7404, and we will try to understand how connections to the gates of ICs are made and how you have to verify the IC. As of now, thank you so much, all of you. In case you have any doubt or query, you can just drop me a WhatsApp message. Thank you so much.